Welcome in for sale at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, this Range Rover Sport D300 Autobiography, with an eye-catching Giola Green exterior complementing the black exterior pack. This Range Rover Sport also comes fitted with diamond-turned alloy wheels, LED headlights, keyless entry and privacy glass. Heading over to the back of the Range Rover Sport now, where I'm just opening up the power tailgate to show plenty of space for any luggage or shopping. I'm now just stepping inside the Range Rover Sport now, and I'm just going to show off the electric window controls as well as the driver's seat memory function, Meridian sound system and blind spot assist. This Range Rover Sport also comes fitted with electric front seats as well as a sliding panoramic sunroof. I'm now just showcasing the steering wheel as well as the steering wheel controls, which include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, a heated steering wheel and voice control. And then just coming up to that digital driver's display. This Range Rover Sport also comes fitted with a head-up driver's display as well as a clear sight interior rear view mirror. Heading down to the centre console now, we've got the gear shift paddle as well as the extremely responsive 13.1-inch Pivi Diamond infotainment system. This infotainment system truly has so much to offer, and here I'm just going to go through some of its fantastic features, including the 3D surround camera, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and so much more. And finally, taking a look into the back of the Range Rover Sport now, showing ample space for up to 5 passengers. Also coming fitted with ISOFIX and of course 2 rear cup holders. For any more information or a personalised video, please get in contact on 01228 599 000.